Hey folks, again today, showers, a couple of thunderstorms firing up in the eastern part of the valley, a little bit north of where they were yesterday. Willacy and Cameron County, some stuff, good stuff around Santa Rosa, and then it just faded away as it moved off to the west. Now we're still tracking one lone thunder shower just to the west of Marty Gomez Reservoir in Mexico, but that is about it. Closer look at this, and boy, I tell you what, it fired up pretty good for a time just to the north edge of Harlingen, up around Combs and then into Santa Rosa. Watch, you'll see the good one fire up right here, and then just kind of hang out in that area for a while, giving them a fair amount of rain. Look at this. There's a bullseye right on top of Santa Rosa of about 2 to 2.5 inches, maybe a little more than that. In a very small area, the northwest corner of Cameron County, but some pretty good rain nonetheless. Also, Willacy County up around Santa Monica, actually a little north of this. There's an indication of a pretty good bullseye up there as well. You see some more down just to the west of Arroyo City. You see about a half an inch between Weslaco and Mercedes. We just had 11 100s here at our studios, but just a little bit east of us, it rained quite a bit more than that. This is the satellite, and you'll see them pop up again today. There's the sea breeze, there's the other little cell, and then the stuff off to the west. Again, very isolated, but at least a few places getting some much needed rainfall. Future track suggests we may see the same kind of thing tomorrow. The sea breeze starts near the coast and moves inland, triggers a couple of showers, maybe a thunderstorm again. It starts about midday and then moves inland. Sunday we do it all over again. Sea breeze tries to activate. Probably not quite as active. You don't see as much green on there, but at least a couple of places pick up a shower, thunder shower, and that'll be about it. We're going 20% tomorrow. That's the biggest number we've had on there in a while. And then mainly dry on Sunday and Monday, so a very slight chance Sunday and Monday. Not much activity then. Temperature-wise, still 98 in Rio Grande City, but notice the lack of triple digits on here. Lack of triple digits, there just aren't any. Got close. Rio Grande City went over briefly. McAllen touching 100, but 91 Harlingen, Brownsville, Raymondville at this hour. And then tonight, we drop into the upper 70s and low 80s. Tomorrow, we're back up again. Readings climbing back over 100 in the west, 90s in the east. But of course, if you get rained on like today, your temperature will cool off. We cooled briefly into the upper 70s when it rained here this afternoon, so made for a pretty nice afternoon. 94 is the normal high. We're going to be above that at 97, 98, and 98 again. We don't see that changing much anytime soon. Big picture across Texas, pretty quiet day. Big Ridge is really taking control, but we're on the south edge of it. That'll allow that tropical moisture to come in tomorrow and over the weekend. But as we get into Sunday, the high kind of exerts its influence. Gets a little stronger. That stabilizes the atmosphere a little bit, so probably less activity Sunday into Monday, but still a slight possibility of something. By the time we get to the middle part of the week, we have to keep an eye on a lot of different things that we're going to talk about in the next half hour. A little tropical moisture may get in the mix for the second half of next week. So tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid. The rain that was out there earlier is gone. It's not coming back until maybe tomorrow in a couple of spots. A spotty shower, perhaps a thunderstorm. High tomorrow of 97. If you get rained on, you'll cool off, at least temporarily. 97, 98, 98, 99s again, but still no 100-degree readings in there. And you see that chance of a few showers almost every day, but nothing big, nothing widespread, at least not anytime soon. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.